Hello everybody, this is Gabe with Royal Appleberry, and today I'm coming with a video for a soap I'm going to do. Haven't figured out a name for it as of yet, but that will come a little bit later on down the line. The fragrance I'm going to be using for it today is by Rustic Escentuals. It is called Hummingbird Nectar. There you go, there's a quick look at it. And I'm going to be using a few different colors today. I'm going to be using blue color here. This is by Mad Oils. It's called Silverfin Blue. Sangria by Rustic Essential. And Blush Pink by Rustic Essential. And I'm also going to use some white. I'm not going to be using any micas for that, however. So I'm going to go ahead and get my colors mixed, and I'll be right back. And there you go, my colors are mixed up. So now I'm going to go ahead and start. This is going to be my base color. So let's go ahead and begin here. Well, it's been a while since I soaped. Can't remember what the last soap I made was. That's how long it's been. So hopefully this comes out nice. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, a little pink. Red next. Okay. I'm going to throw a little bit of white in there. Right there, just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to do this one more time. Uh-oh, it's starting to get a little thick here. I better hurry up. Oh boy. Alright, let me hurry up here. Alright, so as you can see, it's starting to get just a little thick here. And go ahead and see if I can get the rest of this in here. Sorry I'm not so talkative here, guys. I guess I don't want to mess anything up. I try to. Hey everybody, so here I am back. Now apparently the camera wasn't recording when I, in the last segment, after I showed you everything up until, don't even know if you got the beginning of putting everything together or not. However, here is the finished product. Again, I'll come up with a name a little bit later on down the line. And please stay tuned for the cutting next, okay? Thank you.
Hello darlings, welcome back to the cutting video. So this is Gabriel soap, and as you guys remember, we had some technical difficulties. I was in the back washing dishes. I wasn't really paying attention, you know, so I haven't even edited this video yet, so I don't know what you guys saw, what you did. We apologize for that. We really do. But hopefully you'll still enjoy the cutting, you know, nonetheless. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on its side. As you can see, there's already salt here. I cut another soap, which was last week's soap, but I cut on the same day. So his colors did morph into like a peach, a brown, and a teal. It looks very retro to me. I think it's going to be cool. So he wasn't too thrilled with the color morphing, and he gets really bummed out. Like, and I don't know why his colors always seem to morph. But he wasn't too thrilled with the color changes. But I said, honey, don't worry. It's going to be great. So let's see how great it is. We'll go ahead and cut that first piece off. Yeah, I didn't watch him make this soap at all. And that's actually really pretty. So of course it's going to lighten to this color on the outside. You see like a brownish hue to it. But I like it. I do. That's the first time I've ever not watched Gabe make a soap. I just let him have his own free will because like he likes to make soap, but I'm like, you need to be able to do it without me, you know, because when Royal Apple starts to get bigger, he's gonna need to make soap unassisted. So I think he'll do fine. And this is beautiful. Isn't that pretty, guys? I love this soap. Like, that's kind of artsy looking. It reminds me of like an art piece from the 70s, doesn't it? Really, really pretty. So I think he'll be happy with these. Of course, he's at work, so I'm going to take pictures and send them to him once it airs out and get its color back like this. But I think it's beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, this is going to turn very, very pretty. I like it. I like the top. I like the colors. And like I said, it's going to be this color, not that color. But very, very nice indeed. It's a very unique art piece type soap to me. I got to get my butt in gear. Like, I don't know. It's around one of those times again where color inspiration is just not coming to me. And Gabe just comes up with like some of the coolest, he just off the cuff colors. He doesn't even take too much time to think about it. He'll just grab like, you know, I'm going to put this, this, and this together. And I was just like, oh, I don't know how that's going to look. But, you know, let him choose and go for it. And he always comes out with beautiful color combinations. Maybe I should take a lesson from him. You know what I mean? But, yeah, I do love this a lot. And I think, like, you guys got, well, honestly, I don't know what you got because I had the water running and I couldn't even hear to know how much of the making video you guys saw. And again, we do apologize for that. It happens, you know, but we're just trying to make sure it doesn't happen very often. But we did still want to come and show you guys the cutting of this soap, you know. Just so you'll have something. I love this soap, I really do. And it smells really, really nice. He had been wanting to use that hummingbird nectar from Rustic Escentuals for a while now. And I guess he just needs to come up with his perfect color combination. But it smells nice and folly. It's very fruity. It has a bit of, just a little bit of spiciness to it. I told you guys in the review when I did my haul, Alchemist haul review, I said that it smelled like, if you ever had fruit cocktails as a child, like that, the syrup that was in it, that's what it smells like to me. It smells really, really good. It's a very sweet fragrance. Ooh, this one's really pretty. So be sure to give a thumbs up for my honey's hard work because he did a great job as per usual. He just makes beautiful soaps. That's just all to it. I don't think Gabe has made an ugly soap yet. And we all go through that, but he hasn't yet. So, you know, that's great. Great, great, great. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty, man. I love that. Oh, and I just, oops. Fix that. I scraped it with my wire a little bit. Yes, great soap cutting day. This is my third soap that I've cut today, and I'm very, very pleased with the last two. Well, no, I take that back. I'm pleased with all three. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, I said the last piece. This is my favorite one. I don't know what's the next two, but this one's like my favorite one right now. Love it. I mean, that smell is like really, really shining through that fragrance. It's not playing. It is like, hey, I'm right here. You smell me? It's so good. It's a very, very, oh, I want to bite this soap kind of, like, if I know better. Alrighty, so what we got? What we got? Very, very pretty. He should call this soap Arizona. I don't know why I get like that desert 80s vibe from this soap. It's so pretty. Wow, that's a pretty soap. Alright guys, so again, I know I apologized twice already, but I apologize again, you know, for what you didn't get to see. But again, we did want to show you something. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe and join our SAC, which is our stinking awesome crew. It is greatly, greatly appreciated. And be sure to give a thumbs up for Gabe's hard work because he does great job. I mean, all the time. So see you on next Sunday's making and cutting video. Till then, bye y'all.